Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the UNOOE 4-port USB car charger. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is a 4-port USB car charger that utilizes a car or vehicle's lighter socket to power its 4 USB ports. And those 4 USB ports can be used for charging or powering any mobile device that uses a USB power source. And here are some of its specifications. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, cutting open that sticky seal there, and of course remembering to cut around that semicircle part as well. And let's cut it just a little bit more thoroughly. There we go. And now we can open up the box flap right there and slide the UNOOE 4-port USB car charger tray out from its packaging, and of course double checking to make sure that there's nothing else left behind, where in this case there is some papers, so let's slide them out from the box. Okay, and double checking, making sure that there's nothing else left behind. So that's all done. We can set that. Let's put it on the right hand side today. And let's see the papers that have come with it. Okay, so just setting the 4-port USB car charger right there along with the rest of the contents across the tabletop right here, so you can see what we've just removed from the packaging. Okay, let's first start off by taking a look at this little fold out leaflet or booklet. So it is a product description or technical data or user guide and instruction manual for the UNOOE 4-port USB car charger. And on the reverse side, it's in Chinese. Okay, so Chinese on one side, English on the opposite side. Alright, we can set that to the side and move on to the next item. So what we have here, let's just take a look at the front and the side and then spread it open right here. And this is, as you can now see, is a warranty card. English on one side, Chinese on the reverse. Let's go ahead and set that to the side as well. And then we can move on to the next item, which appears to be advertising for another product. So it is a desktop wireless charger, it appears. Alright, we can set that to the side as well, maybe up there. Okay, and now we can focus on the UNOOE 4-port USB car charger, just setting it down in the middle of the frame and then giving you a close-up look while it's in its tray before I start fiddling around too much with it. So you can see nice and clearly there are 3 ports on the extension end and 1 port on the plug end of the 4-port USB car charger. Okay, just going to give you multiple views while it's still in its tray so that at least my fingers don't get in the way once I remove it from the packaging, to show you the close-up angles and of course the aspects of the car charger. Okay, so giving you a nice good view of the UNOOE 4-port USB car charger. Okay, so now I can remove it from its tray, so let's go ahead and pop it out. So being very careful not to pull on the cable too much. setting the clear tray to the side, and now we can have a much more detailed and closer look at the 4-port USB car charger from UNOOE. So you can see there's a Baseus branding on it, and of course showing you the cable as well. So it is a 5-foot long cable, or approximately 1.5 meters long, so pretty long indeed. Slightly shorter than the average female height, just to give you some idea. Okay, so 1.5 meters approximately, or 5 foot in length. And so I'm going to undo the cable length here, or cable tie, beg your pardon, to show you the cable length. So you can see the thickness or gauge of the cable is fairly decent, not too thick or cumbersome to use, and obviously not too flimsy or thin as well. Giving you a nice good look at the connectors, or the inlet end of the cables going into the plug-in, and of course the extension end of it. So 1.5 meters approximately in length. I'm just going to set it on the tabletop so you have a better idea of the length. Okay, so 1.5 meters or 5 foot in length for the cable. And now giving you a close-up look at the plug-in first. So you can see the plug itself goes into the lighter socket of the car or motor vehicle, and you can see the USB port on the plug-in. So this has a 2.5 amp output on the plug-in, and then running up the cable or lead to the extension end, there are 3 ports, USB ports, giving a combined output altogether. 3 ports here, plus the 1 port on the plug-in, giving a total output of 5.5 amps. So on this end, the 3 USB ports have a maximum output of 3.1 ampere. Okay, so you can see the nice finish of it as well. So it has a satin metallic finish, metallic specked finish with a very smooth finish as well. And it's nice to see the beveled corners so you don't end up chipping the corners. So nice little detail in terms of the design and overall construction. So very light in weight. This one is plastic. This one has, of course, metal components to it, being that it needs conductivity for its plug-in to the lighter socket. And just trying to get the camcorder to focus right there. So you can see very clearly what this UNOOE 4-port USB car charger is about. So very lightweight, and just going to rest the car charger plug and extension end in my hand there, just to give you some idea of its size. So compact, small, and on this side, on the extension end, there is a handy clip to it, so you can clip it on the back seat of your car, so it'll stay put while it powers the needs of your family or friends in the back passenger compartment or cabin of your vehicle. So a nicely designed 4-port USB car charger from UNOOE with the Basius branding. And just trying to get my fingers out of the way so you can see more clearly the car charger in all its glory right there. Okay, let me turn that lighter plug. There we go. Another good look at the 4-port USB car charger right here. So you can see the single plug end along with the 3 USB ports on the extension end. So that's the UNOOE 4-port USB car charger. Thanks for watching and happy charging!